In this video we will see some of the CAD drawing tools offered by Tcp PointCloud Editor, to model a building or construction. We create a drawing layer in which we will group the buttress type elements. As it is a geometry that is repeated in several areas of the point cloud, we look for an area in which we have sufficient visibility of the entire element. Using the rectangle selection tool, we select the points of interest of the object to be modeled, and we filter these points, in order to visualize only what we are interested in. We use a reference plane to model one side of the selected buttress. On the reference plane we draw a 3D polyline that models the outline of the element's profile. After deactivating the reference plane, we select the newly drawn polyline. Using the extrude tool, and designating a base point and a target point, we obtain the geometry of the complete element. We restore the view of the whole cloud, and using the polygon selection tool we select all the lines and polylines that form the outline of the buttress. We use the copy selection tool to replicate this geometry on the rest of the buttresses visible in the point cloud. For the modeling of the walls, we create another drawing layer. We deactivate the rest of the layers, to facilitate the task of drawing the walls. We use the rectangle selection tool to select the points that are part of some of the walls of the building. And we use the filter function of selected points, to visualize only those sets of points. We define a reference plane to draw on it the outline of a facade. We draw the outline using a 3D polyline, designating the vertices on the reference plane. We repeat the process on the opposite facade. We obtain 2 polylines, each of them defining one of the facades of the building. We set the reference to the endpoint, and use the line drawing tool to connect the vertices of both polylines. We restore the filtered points, and observe how the point cloud looks like together with the drawing. We hide the point cloud, and observe only the CAD drawing obtained. Finally, we export the CAD drawing to a file. The newly exported drawing can be opened and viewed in a CAD drawing application. We observe that each drawn element has the color of its layer, and that the 3D faces can be displayed shaded.